Wow, dippity. Well, now, 3T, we're back at it again with another video. Title, thumbnail, you know what we're getting into. Let's go ahead and check this video out, man. I've been asking for Atlanta content for a while now. As you guys do know, I was sick after the Houston and whole Chaylisa incident. Houston, I got sick. After Houston, the reactions, I was gone for a week. I was like super sick, so I really didn't even catch anything. I didn't even know they were in Atlanta. I think now they're in Hamilton, Canada. I haven't seen any of those clips either. I really missed Atlanta, but something big happened in Atlanta. I'm not quite sure what it was, but I think this is like a pre-show sound check, whatever it was. You guys spent it, so we had to check it out, kind of keep up and like catch up to what's going on. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's go ahead and check it out, man. No cap. Plus, these behind the scenes are like my favorite. No, that's a whole vibe. They chilling. Sweats, hoodie. Jenny's a whole mood right now. No cap. So are those like special tickets? Like you get to see a sound check pre-show? No cap. What song is that? Hey, nah, bro. We need more sound checks. I fuck with this better than the concert itself. This shit lit. And they ain't even trying. Nah, that's tough, bro. Chaylisa going, Chaylisa, stop the cat, you feel me? Jisoo just big chillin', no cap. Hey, hey, bro, sweatpants is a vibe, no cap. That's fire. That's a vibe. No cap. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's fire. That song is tough too. That's fire, bro. I fuck with these sound checks, no cap. I didn't think that song was that lit at first, but it was different. Going crazy. That's lit. Bro, these sound checks are lit. What's really going on? That's tough. Sound like the whole stadium was full. Jesus is savage, bro. I love it. Oh, I know they going crazy. That's tough. I fuck with the sound checks, bro. Oh, you living your best life. Just a vibe too. Bro, the pure excitement. I love that. That just capturing that is everything, bro. Go crazy. She happy to the motherfucker. Don't care. Don't care. That's tough, bro. I fuck with that. That's tough. So it's kind of ending right there. But yeah, man, like I fuck with the sound checks. Whatever the sound checks are, I think this was part 1. I'm not quite sure. I think there are 2 parts to it. This is Atlanta, I believe it was. So yeah, man, y'all go crazy, run it up, man. Y'all already know what to do. We're on the road to 50K, so hit the subscribe button, turn on the post button notifications. That when we drop banger after banger, you don't miss a video. You guys are loving the Blackpink content, so run it up, run these numbers up. We gotta check out more of the sound checks. The sound checks are dope. They're lit. I actually like this. Like it. It's a behind the scene. Y'all know how I get when it comes to behind the scene genuine moments, man. Y'all do y'all thing, man. Y'all know whatever I see in the comment section down below, that's what we're reacting to, man. Going crazy. Once again, we are on the road to 50K, so hit the subscribe button, turn on the post button notification. Go crazy. Until next time, eat healthy, live strong, stay beautiful, and keep it swavy. And I'll catch you in the next video. Stop the cow. Sheesh.